Hi guys, welcome to another day of Techly Things. Now today in the program we'll be heading to the Georgetown Landfill, otherwise called the Dump or Mount Trashmore, and this is located in Georgetown, Seymour Drive to be specific. Now if you're new to the channel, I implore you to subscribe, and if you want the latest videos, you know what to do, click the notification bell, because videos are displayed every Wednesday, sometimes more videos per week, but every Wednesday is for sure. Now let me kick things off now. Now I'm traveling to, this is an hour in Roberts Drive, and I'm going on Seymour Road. I've just passed the Foster's Distribution Center, which was to the left of the screen, and Foster's is one of the leading supermarkets and also Price Right in Grand Cayman. The right of the screen we passed it is Scott's Marine. They deal with marine stuffs, rod, wheel, line, hooker, sinker, baits, anything to do with fishing, even boats. So I'm gonna take the left there. The right of the screen was the Bacadir dock where boats come and dock. So let us stay on the left now, which is Northstown Road. Northstown Road is very interesting because you have the Department of Environmental Health. It's gonna be coming up to the left of the screen. You also have Caribbean Utilities Company, which is CUC. I think I've passed the Department of Environmental Health. The right of the screen is CUC, Caribbean Utilities Company, which is the provider of electricity in Grand Cayman, and there it is to the right. And we're gonna pass to the left. We're not going on that road, but it's to the coming up shortly. Let me see when it comes up. To the left there is where you'll find water authorities, and you know, as the name said, provide water to Grand Cayman. And also right that left there, that pump or the gas station provides gas to the the government buses, or the government vehicles, I should have said. So it's a single gas station, and I think it's Rubis is the brand. The right of the screen is where you find Parkers, and Parkers do the auto place. They sells like tools for auto. Sometimes some even other stuffs like marine stuffs, but it's mainly for auto. Coolant, you get a coolant, refrigerant, all the stuffs for vehicles. To the right is Bix Bar. That's a favorite hangout spot of persons from Cayman. A lot of Spanish persons are there as well. And this is called Seymour Drive, and this is where we're heading. I've just passed to the left as a commercial avenue. There's commercial stuff. There is a apartment building to the right. To the right again is the Seventh-day Adventist Church. To the left, apartment building. To the right is storage facilities. Now you can rent the storage per month, and you put them inside of the building there. I'm not sure of the cost, but there are various costs because there are various storage in Grand Cayman. To the left of the screen is Superior Auto. Deals with fixing of vehicles. There is also one in Jamaica as well. Don't know if they are related. To the left is Premix or Supermix that deals with premix concrete. To the right is Jagas, and this is incorporated with Superior Auto. They fix trucks, heavy vehicles, and they provide mentorship or apprentice can't call the word apprentices. They train people to do the job as well. It's a part of Jagas in Jamaican German Auto School. To the left, not going there, is where you find Danny's Auto. I'll do a video showing Danny's Auto as well, and the various places you have around on that side. So I'm close to the dump, the Cayman Islands landfill, and today is Sunday, so you won't find the dump open today, so I won't get the opportunity of driving in there. Now all it happens is that people come and they put their stuffs in the provided containers. You have for trashes, you have liquid, plastics, metal. It's well organized, so people don't normally go inside of the dump. They dispose of their things right at the front there. Batteries, tires, and the tires is to the right of the screen. I hope I can show it on my way out, or they shred them, cut them up with the machines. So this is where the dump is, or the area. You realize this vehicle is reversing. He has some garbage that he's going to dispose of in that thing there. There are some cans. I think these are these are some cans for cooking stuffs. People want to get rid of them, so it's stored there. So it's well organized. You'll find securities are there all the time to ensure that persons don't come and leave things that are not. I just called to the security guard there. He came out just to look and see if I'm taking anything that I'm not supposed to take, or leaving anything that I'm not supposed to take. So I've just passed the tire shop, which, not the tire shop, it was ahead of me, and that's where they cut the tires up with the machine and use them for recycling. I'm not sure the recycling, but it gets done, and it's really interesting work to come and look by the dump. It's not that scrappy or nasty. Sometimes they have burning, and it can affect persons in their house, and they have to try to get it under control. So this is it from the tour to the Cayman Islands landfill, and this is Duke Creek saying peace out.